5:34 right now. Market futures are down once again this morning, despite President Trump's recent tariff pause for dozens of countries.
But investors are still concerned about a possible trade war with China. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest from Washington this morning.
A wild week on Wall Street, winding down with another downturn on Thursday, erasing part of Wednesday's historic recovery as investors eye the growing trade war with China. President Trump with his cabinet acknowledging what he calls short-term pain.
There'll always be transition difficulty.
While insisting negotiations are going well with other trading partners who got a 90-day reprieve in punishing tariffs and suggesting China could follow.
I think that we'll end up working out something that's very good for both countries.
No sign of that yet, with the White House clarifying total tariffs on Chinese imports are now 145%, including a previous fentanyl-related penalty. China's retaliatory 84% tariffs now in place on American goods. The rift in that critical trade relationship set to drive up prices as small businesses, like this Utah hobby shop and its customers, brace for impact.
I'm a little nervous that I'm not going to get some of the product I ordered, or I'm going to have to pay more for stuff.
The instability making market forecasters like JP Chase stick with predictions that the U.S. economy could tip into a recession. While on a separate front, the Supreme Court ordered the Trump administration to reverse course on a Maryland man who was wrongly deported to an El Salvador prison. After days of dispute, the High Court saying the administration must facilitate the release of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, though the justices did not back all of a lower court's ruling ordering his retrieval, saying the White House deserves deference to conduct foreign affairs. Back on the economy, some good news with a new report showing inflation cooled in March from the month before, more than expected. Though that data comes from before the trade war really started ratcheting up, with economists expecting tariffs to drive prices up once again. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.